Hey guys, Knox here from Knoxlocks. Today I got a little treat from you, from a box here of Pops locks. I've got a few master locks that for me are a little outside the box. So this is the Master 77, which I had never opened. And I actually have the lion key to match that, which is really cool. I have a combination lock that I never freehand decoded. I happened to do that. And I found my old high school gym locker from like way back in the 90s. How cool is that? So, I'm sitting here. It is currently a little past midnight. And I have my buddy Bruce. Say hi, Bruce.
Hi!
Okay, so while I'm explaining the Master Lock 77 in a combo, I'm going to go ahead and lock this guy up. And I'm going to give Bruce a Southern Specialties nice tension wrench. And everybody's kind of go-to favorite, especially in the beginnings. Let's see if I can get that clear. The monkey's paw. It does not want to come in clear. But at any rate, we're all familiar with the monkey's paw. So, I'm going to hand this over to Bruce, and then we're going to talk about Master Lock. Here you go, buddy.
Can I wave?
Yeah, have fun. Yeah, hold on. So now, this is Bruce. And I've recently been teaching Bruce how to pick here. So I'm going to let him do his thing, but in the meantime here, I'm going to finish talking about the locks. And, yeah, you know, this comes from Pop's Box of Locks, and what I think is really cool, I've not really seen a Master Lock 77. There we go, beautiful. Master Lock 77 with the lion key. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing right there. That's a very beautiful thing. However, there's a slight problem in the sense this is not the key to that lock. So while this is the lion key and this is the lion lock, unfortunately, you know, this was not the key meant for this lock. So hopefully I'll be able to impression it. You know, it doesn't seem to have too many low cuts, and I have multiple keys. Wait till you see the episode I have about Pop's keys as opposed to Pop locks. And for the first time, another master lock he had was a combo lock. I don't know. I never actually took the time to decode a combo lock. So for me, that was, you know, a unique experience. I was happy to kind of, you know, I've watched 100 videos of how to do it.
I did it!
You got it?
Yeah!
You got it? Let's see it open. Pop it. Pop it.
I already
It is open. Good job, Bruce. Bruce, right there, that on camera. That is, I can submit that for you, and you will have your white belt, buddy. Or wait, that's a master lock. I believe that's a yellow belt. Yeah, dude. Very good job, Bruce. Very good job. All right, buddy.
Is there a new one?
It's a master lock. Let's see. Hold on. I thought it was a number 3. Yeah, master lock number 3. Yeah, so if you're able to open a master lock number 3, then yeah, dude, that officially makes you, I believe, yellow belt. Wow, dude, that is very good. That is very, very good, Bruce. I'm proud of you.
Is there
dude.
another lock I could use?
Well, I want to see try to do that one again, just for consistency. That's amazing, dude.
Safe cracking machine.
Yeah, we were only 4.5 minutes, and you already got that open. That's very good job, Bruce. Very good job.
It was so cool when I felt it pop.
No, I know, dude. That's the whole fun of lockpicking. It's okay. Take your time. Alright, I'm going to go back to discussing the masters here for a minute. I can just let Bruce work on that. So, this master lock number 77 to me is a really cool find. I mean, right there you got the Master Lock Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, made in USA. Now this one says patented. I've seen another one where the lion's like lying sideways and it says patent pending. So I guess that might be a little older version of the lock, but nevertheless, man, just yeah, let's see, I'll pull maybe another treasure out of Pop's locks. Let's just look at the box. There's so many different types of things here. I mean, so many different. Oh, here, maybe there's something you can help me with. I believe that was awarded as opposed to a wafer, just because I didn't seem to have a easy time picking that wafer. But, hold on real quick, that is a master lock. F16. Okay, so I'm gonna have to Google that or something. And then there's a couple other ones that I'm curious. You know, these are locks that are in the wild. You know, obviously they're rusted, they've been beat up, they've been around the block. And you know, I'm gonna have to get some Houdini on some of these. I'm not going WD-40. You know, no need for that. But Houdini some of these guys, and you know, I want to bring these guys back to life. So I'm going to start a whole nother series of Pop's locks. I don't want to say this is officially episode 1, but this is a nice little master lock, master lock moment here that I really kind of dig. And yeah, you know, that pretty much sums it up. So you will be seeing more things soon, you know, from Pop's collection. I just, you know, that's what I was messing with tonight. I was actually able to pop that pretty quickly. A surprise, to tell you honestly. Let's see, maybe I'll give it a quick go.
This is surprisingly harder.
Oh yeah, no, Bruce, they're not always consistent. I think because you were able to get it, now you're excited because you got it. So you're trying, I don't say too hard, but like you might be oversetting a pin or two because you're trying to get it open fast. Just remember, take your time, relax, and just breathe. The more you try to force it, the less it's likely to work. Okay, so now, here we are with the Master 77. And let's see if I have enough to tension this. Okay, because I'm actually using the top of keyway, because I have a, Bruce is using the bottom for the other one. So let's see. There you go, Bruce. You just learned an important lesson right there. Just how you took that breath in the breather. That's a very important thing in lock sport. Is when you're feeling overwhelmed or you're feeling, you know, a little too angry or anything like that, just take a breather, take a break, and then come back to it. You got it? Okay, hold on.
I got one pin down.
Okay.
Just don't want to touch it.
Okay, here we go. I believe. Oh, I thought I had mine. Take one pin off. Hold on. Oh, nope. That's what it was. The tension tool, because I'm using top of keyway in the bottom. It's not really grabbing good. With this one, it's kind of, I have to be careful not to overset the pins.
Did it.
Oh, wow, I gotta use a different tensioner. Okay, good job, Bruce. All right, buddy. Here, let me see your tensioner for a second. I want to see if I can get
Took
this
a lot
one.
of concentration.
Yeah. That's a good job, Bruce.
Thank you.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feels weird. There we go. Good. Click on 2. 3.
So, what belt is that, Trevor? The yellow belt?
Yeah, I believe so. I know it's definitely white, but I think you might get yellow. The only problem is the camera is supposed to be on you the whole time. But at the same time, it's just me and you here. I obviously handed it to you locked. It's not a lock that you could remove pins, so I couldn't have made it easier for you. So, I mean, I don't see why they wouldn't give you your white belt, at least. But that's very cool, dude. Maybe make a video of you just doing that.
That'd be pretty cool. Remember that other time I picked a master lock?
Mm-hmm.
Safe cracking machine.
Huh. I don't know why this give me such a problem. I just heard a nice click there.
What is this, Trevor? What type of pick?
That's the monkey's paw. That's a lot of people's favorite.
The monkey's paw?
Uh-huh.
It's a really good one.
That's a very good one. It's my favorite. Like of mass-produced picks, that's my favorite.
Try it.
Haven't tried a monkey's paw? Maybe that's what I'm missing. Let's try it out.
What I was doing, I was picking one pin at a time, looking down the hole.
That's exactly it, dude. Single pin picking, SPP. Very good job, dude. Let me try maybe my thumb tension. There we go, baby. Pop. Alright, right at the 15-minute mark. Perfect. Okay. So, I got my lock open, and my buddy Bruce opened his lock not once, but twice. So check that out. My man popped his open. Look at that. So we got two beautiful opens on a beautiful night. Let's see, Saturday night, yeah. Saturday night fun right here, man. Two guys just hanging out, doing some picking. Okay, so I appreciate you tuning in. And remember, anything is possible when everything's unlockable. Stay tuned for the Let's Learn Locks series I'm about to get started to go along with the Pops Locks. So, again, go ahead, Bruce.
Goodbye.
Okay, so
Goodbye.
Bruce says goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
I say thanks for
goodbye.
tuning in, and we'll see you soon.
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.
Thank you.